white noise hum. Standing in a room that's overflowing sound, but it never really hits, it just drowns me out. Colors flashing like a blur across my eyes, but I'm stuck in black and white, no in between lines. Everything is moving, but I'm standing still, like I lost a part of me that used to feel. Turn it up, I feel nothing. Let it break through the silence. All this noise in my head, but it's empty instead. I'm surrounded but alone in the sound. Every voice just keeps on pulling me down. All this noise, but it don't make a wave. I can scream, but it don't ever change. I don't feel it anymore, even when it's loud and it roars. All I hear when it explodes is empty noise. No feeling, noise. Too loud, empty noise. No feeling, noise. Too loud, empty noise. Echoes bouncing off the walls inside my head. Every sound just overlaps what's left unsaid. Trying to find a spark inside the static waves, but it disappears before it even breaks. Everything I used to feel is out of reach, like a distant frequency I couldn't keep. Now I'm drifting through it all without a trace, just a ghost inside a crowded space. Turn it up, still nothing. Still nothing. All this noise in my head, but it's empty instead. No feeling, noise. Too loud, empty noise. No feeling, noise. Too loud, empty noise. Empty noise. If I disappear inside the sound, would anyone even notice now? No feeling.